this year's journey begins with tomorrow's preliminary rounds. Fixtures, we've got Tel 1 taking on Triangle, while Agama face Manika Diamonds. And two winners from these matches will complete a round of 16. And today's draw will determine the path that lies ahead. But let me take this opportunity to warmly welcome Ms. Patience Dingani. She's the marketing manager for the So Gambia business. Thank you so much, Patience, for coming through. And also representatives from Delta Beverages who are here present. Allow me also to welcome PSL CEO Rodwo Tabe. Thank you so much, Rodwo, for coming. And PSL representatives who are here, club representatives as well, members of the media, and all invited guests. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us. Now let me move on to the main purpose of today's program. To take us through the draw procedure, I'm going to ask Patience to come forward, and Elisha from the PSL to come through so that they take us through this draw. Ladies and gentlemen, Patience and Elisha. So, yeah, I know over the years we have had to explain how this draw is going to, or maybe I just jumped the gun, eh? And I had to make you come before the explanation, because I've had to do this so many times. You forgive me for this. Yeah, I'll have to ask PSL spokesperson and marketing manager to come forward and just do the draw procedure first. Then you guys will come through. Yeah. So Kuzaibare will come through and take us through the draw procedure first. Then we'll do the draw. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Howard. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to take you through the draw procedure for the 2026 Chibuku Super Cup. So as per usual, all the current 18 PSL clubs will be participating in this tournament in a knockout format. And the teams are going to be ranked and drawn as per the Castle Lager Premier Soccer League Matchday 17 fixtures for 2026. And according to these log standings, the top 14 teams automatically qualify for the first round draw, and the bottom place teams, that is the teams from position 15 to 16, shall participate in a preliminary round playoff, with each winner of the playoff joining and qualifying for the first round. So according to the log, the teams from position 1 to 8 shall be seeded and shall play the first round matches as the home teams. And that means that we do have a home team, we do have a away team in the Chibuku Super Cup. And the teams from position 9 to 14, including the two winners from the preliminary round playoffs, will be paired against the seeded teams through a public drawing of lots. So the format will go as follows. The first team drawn will play the top seeded team. The second team drawn shall play the second seeded team. And the process will continue in that format until we have 8 fixtures for the first round. So these are the Matchday 17 log standings. From here, we're saying that from position 1 to 8, that is Scotland FC, Hard Rock, Cape United, Dynamos, Herentals, Ngezi Platinum Stars, Moors, and Highlanders. These teams are seeded and shall play the first round at home as the home teams. And from position 9, where FC Platinum is, up to the bottom, these teams will be paired against the seeded teams. So our 4 bottom place teams, that is your Tel 1, Agama, Manika Diamonds, and Triangle United FC, these teams are participating in the preliminary round. So we are not going to have a draw for the preliminary round, as the fixture is already out, but the format will go as follows. It's the team on position 15 versus the one on position 17, and the team on position 15 versus the one on position 18, and the team on position 16 versus the one on position 17. So the fixtures are as follows. It's Tail 1 versus Triangle United. They're playing at Mandava. And then Agama versus Manika Diamonds. They will be playing at Mboni Stadium. So these fixtures are there tomorrow on the 8th of, on the 5th of August 2026. And the kickoff is 1 p.m. For the rest of the competition dates, the first round is on 15 to 16 August 2026. The quarterfinal on the 12th to 13 September 2026. And our semi-final 31 to 1 November 2026. And the final on the 28th November. So that brings us to the main agenda of this program, which is the draw. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kuzai. Now, patience, I think it's time. You have to come forward. Marketing manager for the South Gambia business, Patience Dingani. I think they had to look at you twice. You are looking so nice.
Thank you.
Elisha. So the draw, the main purpose of why we are here today, right, so Patience is going to start the draw. Ask Pisa Mabora.
FC Platinum.
So the first team out of the Reds will play the top seeded team, Scotland. So Scotland will take on FC Platinum. The team to face Hard Rock,
Blair Chiefs.
Blair Chiefs will take on Hard Rock. I see Hard Rock chairman is here, Wellington Pandari. And a team to face Caps United. Simbabora will take on Caps United. What you understand, look at us. So the winner between Triangle and Tail 1 will take on Dynamos. And the next team will take on the Rentals. FC Hunters will take on the Rentals. And ZPC Kariba will take on Angezi Platinum Stars. Agama versus Manika Diamonds. This game is on tomorrow. The winner between Agama will take on Moors.
One left.
So there is one team to go.
Chicken.
So it's a big one. Bulaya Tabi. Highlanders are taking on Chicken Inn. Thank you, Patience. Thank you, Elisha. Thank you so much. So let me run through the draw once again. Scotland will take on FC Platinum. Hard Rock will take on Bulawayo Chiefs. Cape United will date Simbabora Dynamos, the defending champions, will play the winner between Tail 1 and Triangle. Rentals will play FC Hunters. Ngezi Platinum Stars take on ZPC Kariba, while Moors will play the winner between Agama and Manika Diamonds, while Highlanders will play Chicken. So that's the draw, ladies and gentlemen, for the 2026 Chibuku Super Cup. Well, Arudawunya so make sure I capture everything. So yeah, let's remember the preliminary round matches that take on will be played tomorrow. Tel 1 will play Triangle, and Agama will take on Manika Diamonds. These matches are on tomorrow. Then the first round proper will be happening on the weekend of the 15th and 16th of August, followed by the quarterfinals on the 12th and the 13th of September. The semifinals on the 31st of October, and the final on the 28th of November. That's our draw for the Chibuku Super Cup for this year. So as we come to the end of today's program, I would like to sincerely thank everyone for joining us, all those who came through. Our appreciation goes to Delta Beverages for their continued commitment to Zimbabwe football, the Premier Soccer League for organizing today's draw, all the club representatives who are here present, our media partners, and every guest present this afternoon. Your presence has made this occasion a success. So ladies and gentlemen, this officially brings the 2026 Chibuku Super Cup draw to a close. And just join us for refreshments soon after this. You will be shown where to go. But yeah, this has been amazing. Remember, the winner's still getting $75,000 for winning this knockout tournament. Thank you so much for joining us.